Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. The time has come for my Christmas house tour. I'm not going to include the bedroom or the office today because those are exactly the same from my last video, and when I redid those rooms, I have videos on all of that. If you want to check those out, maybe I'll try to link them down below. If not, they're just further down on my playlist from earlier this year in the spring. But I'm not going to include those because there's not a single drop of Christmas in either of those rooms. So I'm just going to show you the big space here, the living room, the kitchen and dining area, and then the bathroom as well as the little hallway. So we'll get right into it. I do have a ton of, well, I wouldn't say a ton, but quite a bit of Christmas stuff that did not make it out this year. I'm just not feeling inspired by this space anymore. This will hopefully be our last Christmas in this house. With that being said as well, it's quite a small space, so I didn't want to overpack, the area I do have and make it look cluttered. So let's get right into it, starting with what I have on the door. I just have this beautiful big bow. It does have a few cuts up here, but it doesn't bother me whatsoever. And it's really cute from the street as well. So that is my front door. I'll try to tell you everything I found from the dumpster. The Christmas stuff I will, but the other stuff I'll try to as well. But at this point, it's almost easier to tell you what didn't come from the dumpster. Dumpster diving has just really, really affected what I put in my home, and it's really been a great experience. So I'm thankful for everything I've been able to find, and let's get right into it. Down here, rug from the dumpster. Over here I just have a few gifts from my sister I haven't put anywhere yet. It's just a bird feeder and some bird seed. She really likes feeding the birds. But these curtains came from the dumpster. This is from Target when it was 90% off last year, and then this is from Marshall's, same thing, 90% off. Just a little swag hanging from our window, so that's cute. Over here in the corner, the vase is from the dumpster. The other things are not, but I love the snowy branches. Here is our hall tree. Everything down here, the lantern, the two trees, baby it's cold outside, this lamp, as well as the hall tree itself, came from the dumpster. And then if we pan up, this little set I actually love. I got this at Sears last year when they were going out of business, at least the one that I went to was, and they were selling all their store displays. I think I got this for $5. It's just like a little wooden base with chipboard trees that go in it, and I think it's absolutely adorable. Here, everything in this came from the dumpster as well. I love this little red truck. I hope to find more this year. And none of this did, but still, it's part of Christmas. This gnome I made a few years ago. He's super cute. And then we wish you a Merry Christmas. And this tree back here, as well as the vase it is sitting in, all came from the dumpster. And these two stars are also a dumpster find as well. So there's this corner of the room. And we'll pan this way. I say this every house tour I do, but I love these giant candlesticks that I have. I have two of them. They came from a garage sale. I paid $8 for them. And I think they're so awesome. That is one thing we have kept with us every time we've moved. I have two more of these bows. Again, came from Target, 90% off. And then we'll get to the couch. The couch is a Salvation Army find, so you can find some really great stuff there. We've had it for years, and it's still holding up great. Joy to the World pillow. That is a dumpster find, and I'm so thankful it wasn't destroyed or anything. Because other things in the dumpster had been destroyed at the same time. So I'm so thankful for that. All the blankets are from the trash. This is an UGG blanket. It's just missing one pom-pom right there. And this one behind it is just a really nice, large white blanket. I love this one because it's red. This pillow came from the dumpster. I have two more of them. I just don't have them out because they're not very Christmassy. We just needed another pillow. So that's where that came in. This pillow as well came from the trash. I just have to sew it up, and I have not done that, obviously, since last year, so it hasn't bothered me. No stuffing has come out, and it is plaid. It says Merry and Bright. I love that. And behind that is another UGG blanket from the dumpster. This is the one that has the black spray paint on it, but you cannot even see that, so that does not bother me one bit. panning up to the gallery wall, I really like how my gallery wall turned out this year for Christmas. Everything aside from these little skis up here, which came from the Target dollar spot, is from the trash. I do feel like I need a super thin red, like Believe or Christmas or something to go right there just to make it a little bit longer and put some red on this side. But I do love this gallery wall. So starting right here, this was a part of my favorite hauls ever. It says Merry Christmas. It's a painted canvas. Along with this one, this is wooden. It says May your holiday be as bright as your spirits are light. And this one is my absolute favorite. It is textured. It's the red truck. And I love the color blues and greens that are in it. That is absolutely my favorite piece that I have on here. Above that, I have my little deer that I found when I first started diving. That was a very fun find for me because I hadn't found much cool stuff yet at that point. So it's just the red with the wooden, and then I have the little wooden skis, tiny wreath, and this very nice wooden window frame. So I do love the gallery wall I have going on this year for Christmas, courtesy of the dumpster. Down here is my coffee table. I did redo this on my own. I just spray painted the bottom here and put some contact paper on the top. The table is real wood, but I didn't like the color of it. So there's that. And then this just silly little centerpiece placed here. All of the little toppers came from the dumpster as well. It, serves its purpose. So there's that. Let's look this way now. I'll give you an overview at the end. Oh, and I forgot to mention as well, of course, how can I forget this fabulous rug that I managed to haul out of the dumpster. All right, over here, another one of my favorite finds is that TV console. That's from the dumpster, as well as this lamp, this fabulous nutcracker. He's just missing his feet, but who would have known? Nobody. He's perfect for me. This vase and all these faux poinsettias, the frame, not the mirror, and this bow all came from the trash. It was deemed as garbage, but as you can see, it is not garbage. Definitely worth saving and putting in my home for Christmas. And then we'll just show a quick down here. This little hurricane wreath came from the garbage, and these other two birds are from Target. There's that. We'll pan over this way. This is our Christmas tree. It did not come from the garbage, but they are very easy to find, especially after Christmas at thrift stores in the dumpster if you are looking for a Christmas tree. Some of the ornaments are dumpster dive finds, however, like this big one, this one next to it. There's some more. This one right there. So, again, great Christmassy finds. There's my real poinsettias. Those are from the dumpster. As well as this beautiful lamp back here. Has an awesome little foot press, so I don't have to worry about not being able to get to it. And this clock, which does work. It's just missing its glass. Very nice. And this marble table. Love that. Came from the dumpster, as well as this cute little reindeer. And you guys saw me find this Santa not too long ago. I didn't even fix him up. I just glued him. And I don't mind that he's a little bit chipped and rustic. I think he's fabulous. So there's that. We will venture this way into our tiny hallway. This piece is the first furniture piece I ever found from the dumpster. It was like the greatest day of my life. And obviously I still love it and I still use it. So there's that. Above that I have a fabulous huge window frame from the dumpster. It used to be a mirror, but not anymore. This little wreath. Oh, Christmas tree. All of these trees, as well as the plaid one and this little tiny one. All of these trees, including the red one, that bird, this fabulous Christmas tree box, the tray it's on, these pine cone wreaths, this hedgehog, another centerpiece just thrown back there, and these little holly berries all came from the dumpster. And then that little deer I got at Marshall's. It was 90% off, but I got it for even cheaper because he is missing his antler over here. You can't even tell, but he only has one antler. And I didn't want to leave him there because I knew he would get thrown out. And they have a compactor at that store, not even a dumpster I can dive at. So I paid a little money for him, but I didn't want him to be wasted. So there's that. We'll venture into the kitchen just momentarily. I don't have tons of stuff in here, but I do have some. Starting with our pantry. That's a dumpster I find. And I love these two trees. I got these from the craft store dumpster last year. Hope to find some more fun stuff this year after the holidays. And I did put a little bit of faux snow spray on them that I found in the pharmacy dumpster as well. Up here, these two trees I did purchase from Kirkland's when they were on sale, but this guy is from the dumpster because he's missing an antler, but I just put another find. I painted that little hat black, slapped it on his head, and he's good to go. Over here, well, all of this stuff, obviously, from the dumpster. This cute little paper towel holder, my utensil holder, this, I don't know what we call that, just a little tray from the dumpster, as well as these two little Christmas signs. This one says Santa Stop Here, and this one says Merry Christmas. Very beautiful, especially at night when the lights are off. I love it. I also have all of these plants. I love plants, and okay, so most of them came from the dumpster. I'll fill you in just a second. I'm just going to show you all of them. This one has a little bit of a sad story. I put it outside in October because it had some bugs attracted to it, and I wanted to get rid of them. But then it froze. So I took most of the leaves off because they weren't rooted, and I'm really trying to bring it back to life. There's that. Here is this plant. He's doing great. He did prefer it outside. He was a little more green and luscious then, but he's still doing great. Over here, this is from the trash. I just keep our cans in there, and then these are just kind of sat there for now because they don't have anywhere to go. All of our K-cups. I've never purchased a K-cup in my life. They only come from the trash. Same with this rug. And this rug, I absolutely love this rug. I think it's fabulous. Some waters over there. And we have a few projects going on our table, so I'm not really going to show you that. But here's some more plants, all from the trash. And my sugar flour and coffee. I think one of them says coffee. Yeah. Ray Dunn jars. Very fun. This lamp is a fabulous find. I use it for all of my haul videos. And this plant stand, as well as the plants on it, are from the dump. So I'll show you the plants that I did not find in the trash. This orchid was a gift over 2 years ago. He has not flowered in a while because I overwatered it, unfortunately, but it's coming back beautifully. And now this plant and these 3 succulents were gifts as well. People started to catch on that I loved plants because I found them in the dumpster and I displayed my house full of plants. So then they were like, oh, she must love plants. We're going to buy her plants for Christmas. So those were Christmas gifts from some people, which I'm not complaining. I do love plants, and they are thriving. So thankful for that. That's the kitchen. And last thing I want to show you is the bathroom. Here's when we first peek in. I do the bathroom in silver and gold and white tones, not the typical Christmas colors like the rest of the house, which I do like as well. All 3 of the rugs came from the garbage, and I really like these. These are like a champagne color, super fun. And this white one is nice and thick. This shower curtain, also a dumpster find. You can't really tell, but it has a little gold random pattern, and then the background is white. It's very sunny today, so hard to tell. And I have this beautiful white fluffy towel. This towel, I forgot to show you the towel in the kitchen, but that's also a dumpster find. The snowflake, which has seen better days, but it's still sticking around for the holidays. My Mother Teresa sign. Not perfect, but it's perfect for me. This little basket that I keep our toilet paper and everything in from the dumpster, as well as these super cute bottle brush trees. These 2 reindeer are from last year. Little tea towel. It says give thanks. I know it's not Thanksgiving anymore, but we can always be thankful, and it matches the colors, so I keep that around. This box came from the dumpster, as well as the toothpaste, the lotion. Yep, there's that. And then over here, this fabulous metal tree. the candle, this bird, not the soap dispenser, but the soap in the soap dispenser came from the dumpster. So that really is it. The only two rooms you're missing, I'll give you a little glimpse. The office, exactly the same. And the bedroom, I haven't folded our laundry or made the bed, exactly the same. And then this is my little furnace laundry area. So I'm going to do a little silent overview now, but thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays to everybody. I know Hanukkah just started. Christmas, of course, is 2 days away. I might have one more video out for you guys before then, but if not, I will be back soon with more videos. Enjoy your season, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam.